Stunning beaches, long lonely shores, beautiful sedimentary cliffs, mineral-rich springs and plenty of greenery, the Varkala in Kerala is full with natural beauty. This charming town sits nestled on the coastal stretch overlooking the Arabian Sea and is located around 50 km from Trivandrum. Among the dense coconut meadows, the scenic overfaces and vivacious high naked cliff and the coastal ambience of Kerala, the serene calm beaches like Odayam Beach make for a splendid gateway. So if you're planning for a short trip to Varkala, then you have come to the right place. Today in this video, I will be guiding you with 3-night 4 days tour plan for Varkala, along with flight details, train details, hotel details, best season, day-wise tour plan, COVID-19 protocols and cost breakup. So don't skip any part and watch till end. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification. You can reach Varkala by both train and air. Nearest airport to Varkala is Thiruvananthapuram, located around 45 km away from the beach town. You will get direct flights from all major cities of India like Delhi, Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai, Bangalore. Flight fare ranges between 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. Varkala lies on the rail line connecting Thiruvananthapuram to Ernakulam. So you can reach Thiruvananthapuram railway station and then by hiring a cab you can reach Varkala. Now coming to day-wise tour plan. Day 1. Arrive at Varkala, get fresh and then head towards Varkala beach, also known as Papanassam beach. Stroll further north to reach the Edava beach and then move towards northern cliffs. Varkala cliffs make it to the list of geoheritage sites due to these unique sedimentary cliffs and the numerous water sports and natural mineral-rich water spas around its stretch. Day 2. On day 2 you can go for mangrove forest kayaking, sailing through these canals of Nedunaglam, especially the mangrove forest. It's a must-try experience. Then visit Anjingo Fort. Presently the fort is protected by the National Heritage Monument. Then visit Shivagiri Mutt. It's one of the popular ashrams of Sri Narayan Guru. Then go to Ponnamthurudu, also known as Golden Island, popular for its 100 years old Shiva Parvati temple situated amidst thick coconut groves. Then move towards Kaduvayal Juma Masjid dedicated to Muslim saint Kaduvayal Thangal. Then visit Varkala Lighthouse, which was built by the British to assist the navigation of ships coming from Britain. Day 3. On day 3 explore rest of the places in Varkala. Start with Kapil Lake surrounded by lush coconut groves. You can see the backwaters meet the sea here. Then visit Varkala Janardana Swami temple with beautiful architecture dating back to the centuries ago. Then visit the Vishnu temple with peaceful vibes. Then head towards Varkala tunnel, which showcases the excellence of architects and engineers of the era bygone. You can also visit the Varkala aquarium. Nothing special to see there, but if you are fond of marine life then you can pay a visit. By evening you can spend some time nearby the Edava or Odayam beach and taste the seafood. Day 4. Back from Varkala by flight or train. This is how your entire trip will end here. Varkala experience hot and humid climate most time of the year. Peak season begins post-monsoon and into the winters when the places becomes cool and pleasant. To explore Varkala, you can hire a bike or scooter for the entire day, which will cost around 400 rupees, or you can hire auto rickshaw, cost will be 600 to 700 rupees. All the places are nearby to one another, so it will be fun to explore the places on foot as well. You will get a lot of budget hotel and also beautiful resorts in Varkala. Cost will be around 700 to 4000 rupees per night. I have mentioned few good hotels below in the description box. Varkala is open for tourists. You need to follow few COVID-19 protocols to enter Thiruvananthapuram. RT-PCR negative test report from ICMR approved laboratory not earlier than 72 hours or vaccination certificate required. As COVID-19 cases are rising again, rules can get changed anytime, so plan accordingly and follow all safety protocols. I have mentioned almost all details regarding a decent tour plan for Varkala If you want any other information, please leave your comment below in the comment section. So now this is the cost breakup for the entire tour plan. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.